Hey guys, so in my previous reel, I have told you that I got an internship. Now, in this reel, I will show you the exact step which I have followed in order to get that internship. So let's start from the beginning. Now, before applying anywhere, there are some things which needs to be complete first. It doesn't mean that you need to know multiple languages, frameworks, or tools or something. The only thing which companies care about is your proof of work, and the only way you can show your proof of work is by showing your projects. But in order to get selected in the internship, you can't just show any projects. Like you can't show your to-do list or weather app in the internship and expect to get selected. There are some things which need to be in the projects. Like it should be solving a good problem. It should have a functional or good-looking UI. It should have a functional backend, and the most important thing that it should be deployed. Like there should a way for the recruiter so that he can look at your projects and try it out. Now in my case, I have built two projects which are functional and deployed as well. The first project is a e-voting platform. It is called Castly, and for that I have used React.js for frontend. For backend I have used Django, and for the database part I have used the Postgres as well. For deployment I used Vercel and Render. Second project I have built is called Friday. It's a agentic AI system which is attached to my own personal Instagram account, and its main responsibility is to handle the DMs which are sent by my friends or social circles, and it is deployed as well on Render. Now once you build those projects, I want you to spend 1 or 2 days in refining your LinkedIn and GitHub. Basically for LinkedIn, try to fill each section which you can, and use a good profile picture. And for GitHub, those projects which you build in the prerequisite step, try to build a good readme file. Like you can use AI as well. Now after completing all of those steps, you can start applying for the internship. I would suggest you to go with these platforms which I have used as well. First would be the LinkedIn job section. I know it's filled with many scams and all, but you can find good listing as well. The next would be the LinkedIn post, and it is very underrated section. Like I got my internship from LinkedIn post. You can search curated hashtags like hashtag hiring, hashtag AI, or hashtag intern, and sort with the latest post, and you can start applying on them as well. The next platform would be Wellfound. In Wellfound, the job posting are very less, but all of them are legit, and the companies which post on Wellfound are like MNCs and all. So you can use these two platforms. Now after these platforms, you can go with other platforms as well, like Naukri, Indeed, InstaHire, CutShort. Basically, I have tried all of them, but the best result which I get from are from LinkedIn post and the Wellfound. Now there is a misconception which I want to address first, is that cold outreach is very successful in getting internship. But I don't agree with that statement. Like I literally outreached like 350 tech leads, HR, product managers, and some of them are founder as well. But not even one of them would help me in getting the internship. Now in this reel, I have tried to cover each and everything in a short and crisp format. But if you want, then I can bring a dedicated reel on any specific step. Also, if you want the full detailed guide of each and every step, then comment detail below, and I will personally send that document into your DMs.